Arlington's new low-cost MC cable fitting is super convenient and cost-effective. It has a built-in end stop, but it also comes with additional end stop bushings that accommodate different size cable bundles. Determine the proper fitting or bushing to use by sizing it to the cable bundle. Or you can use Arlington's new wire bundle template. It's available free by contacting our sample department. Notes on the template will help you quickly and easily select the proper size fitting. Remember to size to the cable bundle, not the metal jacket. Click on the link for your free wire bundle template.